Where are we, babe?
We're in the Catskills.
We're in the Catskills. What happened to the Adirondacks, you ask? Well, we went and we met up with some friends at Moffett Beach State Park. We stayed there a couple nights. They brought their friends. We all hung out for a couple days. We did not film. And then the friends that we met over there, their friends have relatives that live here in the Catskills. So we're staying on their property, 90 acres.
It's drunk.
Oh my gosh. They're not home at the moment. So we're crashing in their driveway, but they have 90 acres here in the Catskills.
Yeah, it's a beautiful area.
Oh, it's just beautiful. So much wildlife.
I went for a run.
Oh yeah.
I haven't even told you this yet.
I wanted to hear.
So it was like a 5 or 6 mile loop that I went and I ran around, and really rolling hills, really good hilly run. I saw one deer,
Okay.
one bicyclist,
Yeah.
2 cars,
Yeah.
3 peacocks,
Whoa.
and 5 ballerinas.
What? No.
So I'm running along, and it's like farms and, you know, some nice houses. Look like they're probably, you know, seasonal homes, but it's a beautiful, quiet area. And I look through some trees and I see what looks like a little stage, like a white thing, and people. And I stop, and it's 5 people doing, you know, where they got the pole and the legs up and the
Bar.
yeah, isn't that ballerinas or ballet?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
I'm pretty sure.
they're like a little ballerina stage, and that's
In the middle, like, of the woods?
I took a picture.
He did say earlier, we came back from the run, I said, did you see any wildlife? Because while he was gone, I saw 2 deer crash through the woods here. He said, I did. I didn't see very much, but you're not going to guess what it was. Wow. You saw ballerinas. Crazy.
That's what I thought.
It's not something you see every day. Now,
I see, I mean, I've ran in between states and provinces. I've ran and ridden in like over 40. And I should like keep a journal of all the strange, bizarre things that I've seen and along
the road. Speaking of wildlife, though, we rolled in here yesterday and I threw the game camera out because I know there's a ton of wildlife here. We saw 4 deer just coming in the driveway. So put the game camera out. Now check out this little critter we got snooping around last night. Isn't that the cutest thing you ever saw?
Now we think we know what it is. What do you think it is?
Yeah. He's adorable. And we did stop in Amsterdam, New York.
Neat little town.
Dave went for a bike ride.
Neat place.
Should we show him your bike ride? You kind of had a wild time, right?
Yeah, it was the Canalway bike trail.
Yeah, it's like it goes for a long ways. I
think. Just this flat, narrow. But I didn't see a single other cyclist on it. I saw 1 or 2 people walking, but it was I think it went out 12 miles, and really neat. A lot of history about the Erie Canal along that area, and I was about 1.5 miles, 2 miles from getting back to the van, and I got a flat tire. So I'll change the flat. It's kind of a pain to change the flat when you're like 1 mile or 2 from home. So it's really humid, but when you're riding, it's a lot cooler. You get the wind.
You just go faster.
So I'm all hot and sweaty, and I stopped the bike, and the mosquitoes just, I mean, hundreds of them, they just like swarm me. I got a flat about maybe a mile and a half from the van. I stopped to change it. Mosquitoes were so bad when I stopped, it was like I was getting eaten up. So I'm just gonna jog back to camp, keep the mosquitoes off. So, wow, didn't expect that. I tried to stop twice. Actually, I have a CO2 cartridge to fill the tire with. I thought maybe it's a slow enough leak. I'll fill the tire with that and ride back. So I filled the tire up, hopped on the bike, took off. I got less than a 1/4 mile and I was flat again. So like, oh no, but yeah, they were wicked. So note to self: put a little small insect repellent in my spare tire kit on the bike.
Yes. You learned something that day.
I learn something every day.
Yeah. So we wandered down here. We're just gonna scope the area out. I think we may try and go for a hike tomorrow. It's beautiful here. It's so green because we've been getting a lot of rain actually, and it really reminds me of Oregon. We appreciate being able to stay here, and
Yeah, really. We meet the nicest people.
yeah,
Most people are just generally nice people.
yes, they are. I've been working on some earrings today. I'm hoping to get some new ones up on the website. So if I get those done, I'll let you know.
I've been working on spoons, but haven't put it on the website yet.
I know. I've been keeping some. You're making a spoon for yourself right now. We did give one recently away on our Patreon page.
No, I made my my soup spoon.
Oh yeah. You guys haven't seen this. Check this out.
Very unique. I did some coal roasting with coffee.
Let me see in the light, maybe a little bit better. I love the handle.
Very thin. It's apple wood, so it's really hard, but you can see light through it.
Oh yeah, I can see here. Wow, I love the handle. You always do such a good job. Now you haven't coal roast very much.
It's only maybe the third spoon.
I love it.
It's weird. You just you take a real sharp thin knife and you make whatever marks you want, and then you take real fine powdered coffee or cinnamon, whatever you want, and put a little, like this is finished in hemp oil because it dries, and you just put a little hemp oil or linseed oil or mineral oil, whatever you want to use, and you put the fine coffee, and it works into those cuts, and then you burnish it with something hard and it kind of seals it up a little bit. But yeah,
I love it.
I like doing different things.
I think I'm gonna make some curry this evening.
I
for
like
dinner.
it when you make curry.
Vegetable curry and rice, and might have you bake some scones. But it's just so quiet here. I love it. We've been in such like urban areas, and the campground we stayed at in the Adirondacks was quite full and crowded, which this is just really nice. Should we throw the frisbee for her? It's nice and cool out right now.
You want to play with the frisbee? Frisbee? I think that's a yes.
I'd say we have to now.
Oh, I'm sorry, girl. Ready?
So a neighbor just stopped by. They actually have a maple syrup farm. And so I traded her a pair of earrings for some maple syrup, and she said there's 3 different grades, and she really likes the golden, which is the light, because
Well, she said you can't really get that in the stores.
yeah, they mostly sell the medium and dark in the store. So I really wanted to try this, but I was gonna make pancakes in the morning, but I want to try it right now just on its own.
So she was explaining that the golden is early part of the season, and then it just gets darker as the season goes on, and this is typically something you can't get. So
Catskill Mountain Pure. And this is Spruceton Valley Maple Products. And it's certified organic. Crack that open.
grade A, golden colored, delicate taste. Oh boy.
You know, I'm definitely going to make pancakes.
Weren't we just saying how nice people are?
Yes, I just love everyone. Wow,
Look at that.
Kind of looks like cough syrup.
It's not cough syrup.
Oh, wow. That's so freaking good.
That is so delicate.
That's the best thing I've eaten in a while.
That is nothing like any maple syrup. And we've bought it in Vermont and...
Mm-hmm. Now I know the trick. You got to get the light. The golden syrup. It is a lot lighter in color than the stuff we buy pure maple syrup, but we do get the darker.
Oh my gosh. Gotta get back to the desert. I gotta make more skeet spoons.
I know, we need a whole set. That's my favorite spoon.
It is so smooth.
Okay, this maple syrup is amazing. If you get a chance, try the delicate amber. Golden.
I don't
golden.
need to be eating spoonfuls of sugar all day, do I?
No, but maybe I'll look up a recipe that requires maple syrup, because whatever you put that on is going to be amazing. So good. It's pistol approved.
My sticky fingers.
Thank you, Lori. It's delicious. Best maple syrup I've ever had, actually. We're going to try and make some maple oatmeal breakfast muffins or cake.
Supposed to be this wet?
Yeah, it says wet. Like, I think it is supposed to be wet. I may have altered it a bit, actually. Recipe over on our Patreon page. There it goes.
Boom.
Wish us luck.
Lead me to my kitchen.
We're gonna need it. 20 minutes. Let's see what's happening. I smell them. Ooh. Oh, I think they're done.
Here, you try.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, it's clean. Looks done. And it smells amazing. So this was made with that maple syrup that Lori brought us yesterday. So our plan is to take these on a hike. We're gonna go drive to a hike and go hike in the Catskills and maybe have some coffee and some maple muffins. Sound good?
I'm a mess here.
You are a mess. Look what he's working on. I'm pretty excited about this. Are we keeping this guy?
I don't know. Not even sure what I'm doing yet.
Look how big that is. I love it.
I'm gonna try to make 4 different facets on the handle. Never done that before, so
Wow.
we'll see.
I love how big this bowl is, and I would like to measure it when you're done. Like, maybe it's a 1/4 cup or something.
I was shooting for like 1 heaping scoop is
For coffee.
a pour over of coffee.
You might be right. You might be onto something.
I might be on this.
Should we load up and go for a hike?
It ain't getting any cooler, is it?
Ain't getting any cooler. This girl is raring to go. So I think we're headed to Diamond Notch Falls. It's a mile up ahead.
Yeah. This is the Hunter Westkill Wilderness area. Here's the...
In the Catskills.
Yeah, in the Catskills. A lot of trails.
Mm-hmm. nice little jaunt through the woods.
A jaunt through the woods, she says.
I love hiking and having a snack and coffee. It's one of my favorite things, actually.
It is kind of fun.
Where are we up to now? We headed back?
We did see a farm egg sign. We'll see if they
yeah.
still have any on the way back. And then we'll head back.
Yeah, I want to finish my earrings I've started. Kind of just chill out for today.
We'll head south tomorrow.
Yeah, I think so.
Yep.
All right, let's get back. I've been busy. I didn't make all of these today or this past few days, but I made these. These have actually pearl, freshwater pearl I picked up in Oregon. Some turquoise, some more pearl, hand stamped leather. These are sterling silver. And then I have some that are just nickel free. And these are all on the carryonvagabond.com website. Do you have any spoons up there right now, babe?
I don't.
Well, shame on you. Oh, I think we're getting ready to roll out of here, head out of the Catskills. We might come toodle around this area this fall.
Yeah, we can do some tootling.
Toodling's my favorite.
Carry on.
Carry on.